This is New York's famous Hudson Yards. This is the vessel, and it's by 34th Street and 11th Avenue. You can take the number 7 train to get here if you have that connection. So you can take the number 7 train and come off at the Hudson Yards stop if you want to have easy access to the shipping vessel, Hudson Yards.
Should come in tonight.
If you want to climb the edge, which is a building that allows you to get a very nice view of the city, you can buy them here. And if you want to climb the vessel for Hudson Yard, shipping vessel, you get them on this side. So it's not free, you have to purchase tickets and climb this structure. And across the street, these are all the shops. There's Lululemon, Cartier, Bulgari, all of these stores on the opposite side of the shipping vessel. So this is the location of the shops right at Hudson Yards. A lot of people visiting. So this is inside the shops at Hudson Yards. Lots of Christmas decorations.